Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to repeat easily identical edits on multiple layers. TwistedBrush Pro Studio doesn't offer the option to link layers. Still, there is an easy way to repeat the same edits on a number of layers through the script recorder and player. Here we have 3 layers with elements of a design. We will make changes to one of the layers and record them with the script recorder. Then, we will apply the same changes to the other 2 layers with the script player. Select the script recorder from the record menu. Enter a name for your script. Click the Solution button. Now let's select the Transform tool and to move the layer with the Move tool option. Keep in mind that when moving something with the Move tool in TwistedBrush, you are moving the whole layer and not just an object. Now, let's select the Warp tool and to distort the rectangle. Finally, let's apply a filter. Select the Gaussian Blur filter from the Filters menu. Enable the Preview option. Set the filter strength and click the Apply button. Now click the Stop button on the script recorder and close the window. Select the second layer. And open the script player from the record menu. Find your script name in the list and select it. Click the Play button. The changes automatically apply to the layer. Let's repeat the same with the third layer. We have successfully applied exactly the same changes that we made to the first layer, to the 2 other layers.